let's start with the story. The only condition for the story is I want you all to react and enact. Okay? So, this story is about Anna. Anna was a small girl, 9-year-old girl, who used to study in a village. She was brilliant. But after finishing her 4th grade in the village, she came to a city and she got admission in one of the finest schools in the city. She was excellent, but that was a huge school. She was very excited about that. So now, today was the first day of her school. She went inside the school. Everyone was looking at her and passing comments. She entered her class. Everyone was looking at her and saying, how can this girl join this school? But then she sat in one of the corner. Just then the teacher arrived. As soon as the teacher arrived, the teacher looked at the class and then looked at Anna. Teacher said, well everyone, this is our new student Anna. She will be with us today. And then everyone just looked at her. They didn't greet her. Now, teacher said, okay, so today will be a surprise test. I want everyone in this class to write about the 7 wonders. I'm quite sure you'll be able to write because just a week back we had done this. Alright, everyone please write about the 7 wonders. So teacher was waiting for some time to get the sheets. Alright, time's up. Everyone, please give your sheets. Please give your sheets. Alright, you please give your sheet. Okay. Very nice. And Anna, your sheet. Teacher was very excited because everyone wrote what he had expected. The teacher said, okay, very nice. The 7 wonders that we have written as expected. Great Wall of China, Colosseum, Stonehenge, Great Pyramid of Giza, Leaning Tower of Pisa, Taj Mahal and Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Excellent class. Very nice. So Anna, let's see what you have written. What? So you were confused what you write. You were thinking there are so many wonders. You have to think about the 7 wonders. Alright, let's see what you have written. The 7 wonders, according to Anna, to be able to see, to be able to hear, to be able to feel, to laugh, to think, to be kind, to love. The teacher was stunned and the entire class was speechless. You know what the teacher said after this? Today a small girl from a small village taught us the real value, the real 7 wonders. You know, for a blind person, the most important thing is to be able to see. For a deaf person, to be able to hear. I'm quite sure most of you all have all the 7 wonders, but we don't value it. This small girl, she taught us the real value. You should value whatever we have. We should trust in that. We should use that. And we can achieve whatever we want in your life. Now, very nice. The teacher saw that everyone went to Anna and they were shaking hands with her. The teacher said, well, that's a nice gesture. Well, thank you very much, Anna, for bringing the class together. So, this was indeed an inspiring story. What do you say?